may be hard to believe, but the Kia Sportage, or Sportage for our Canadian viewers, has been on sale for over 30 years. This is the 5th generation model that was introduced about 3 years ago. For the 2026 model year, it is getting a thorough refresh. Like most of Kia's new SUVs, the 2026 Sportage incorporates the brand's opposites united design language. The front and rear bumpers are updated, while there's unique styling for the X-Line and X-Pro models. The headlights are stacked, featuring cube LED projectors inside. There are amber LED daytime running lights utilizing the star map theme Kia has put in throughout the manufacturer's lineup. The amount of times we hear star map with their new vehicles and opposites united is pretty impressive. That theme carries into the taillights that have a clear housing. The vehicle can come in 17, 18, or 19-inch alloy wheel sizes, and of course this year they've all been refreshed. Inside, some of the main technology on offer includes the dual 12.3-inch curved display, over-the-air updates, wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay are now standard. On the hybrid and plug-in models, you could get a 10-inch head-up display, there's digital key 2.0, surround view cameras, a whole bunch of great things. The rest of the center console tech's pretty much the same, and it still has that menu bar that can be changed between climate control and audio at the push of a button. Other updates inside are different accent trims, and the instrument panel is obviously a little different to accommodate the new screen, and center console and door panels are updated. And maybe the most important is the places that do have touch screen or touch button, the material now is supposed to reduce fingerprint smudges, which is a big plus if it is true, and if it means the death of piano black, I am all for it. Internal combustion engine only vehicles will be powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder that should make about 187 horsepower. It will be paired to an 8-speed automatic, regardless if you get front wheel or all-wheel drive. When properly equipped, it can tow up to 3,500 pounds. Regular hybrid versions of the 2026 Kia Sportage continue to have a 1.6-liter turbo four-cylinder engine paired to a 47.7 kilowatt motor. The electric motor has been revised though, and the total system output is now up a couple ponies to 231 horsepower. Hybrids can also come in front or all-wheel drive and are paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission regardless of drivetrain. When properly equipped, they tow a little bit less, down to 2,000 pounds. The final model, the Sportage plug-in hybrid PHEV, also uses a 1.6-liter turbo four-cylinder paired up though to a more powerful 72 kilowatt motor. And it's also been revised this year, and total system output is now up 7 horsepower to a total of 268. The plug-in only comes with all-wheel drive and once again uses the 6-speed automatic, and it can tow 2,000 pounds when properly equipped. Regardless of engine, for the models that do power all 4 wheels, the all-wheel drive system uses an electro-hydraulic coupling center locking differential. It has the ability to distribute different levels of power front and rear depending on the road and driving conditions. The Kia Sportage will continue to offer more rugged variants for those looking to do some mild off-roading. All models can now be had as the X-Line, including the hybrids, but it's still just gasoline only for the more rugged X-Pro Prestige. The Sportage X-Line has unique front and rear bumper and sort of a faux skid plate shaped molding. There are added terrain modes that include snow, mud, and sand. The side mirrors, roof rack, and window trim are all finished in gloss black. There are unique 19-inch alloy wheels, and the roof rack is raised up a better to better accommodate various overlanding or water sport attachments. The Sportage X Pro Prestige ups the off-road capability with higher sidewall BF Goodrich all-terrain tires on 17-inch matte black wheels. I really like these wheels, and I really like those tires, and it gives it sort of a nice little rugged edge. Too bad you can't get it on the hybrid though. Standard safety equipment on the 2026 Sportage includes auto emergency braking and hands-on detection to make sure that the driver always has their hands on the wheel. There's other available tech like forward collision avoidance, highway driving assist, parking distance warning, and a lot more. The 2026 Kia Sportage lineup for the 2.5-liter gas-only models will be LX, EX, SX, SX Prestige, X-Line, and X Pro Prestige. The 2026 Kia Sportage Hybrid comes in LX, S, which is new this year, EX, X-Line, which is also new this year, and SX Prestige. The plug-in hybrid models will be available in X-Line and X-Line Prestige. More details about the vehicle will be available closer to launch, including pricing.